There's a quiet that settles in when the trailer door finally rolls up back home. No roar of engines, no smell of burnt rubber, just the sound of latches, footsteps, and a team shifting gears from race mode to responsibility. The car rolls out first, still wearing the weekend. Rubber streaks, heat marks, the evidence of every pass down the track. It may be back home, but it's far from finished. That's when Max steps in. He brings out the checklist, same one every time, and there's no guessing, no skipping ahead. Calls it out line by line, steady and deliberate. And Steve is right there with him, ready. This is their rhythm. Every step, Steve puts hands on it. Every nut, every bolt, every connection checked in order, exactly the way it's written. Not what looks good, not what should be fine. Every single part of that car gets touched. Because that's how you make sure nothing gets missed. Win or lose doesn't change a thing. Mac keeps the pace, making sure the process stays locked in. Steve follows through with precision, tightening, checking, feeling for anything out of place. Between the two of them, there's no room for assumption, only verification. Fluids come next. Oil checked, changed if needed. Transmission fluid inspected, cooling system topped off. Mac calls it, Steve handles it, step by step. Then the cleanup. The car gets washed down inside and out. Burnout rubber clings to the rear quarters and wraps around the wheelie bars, stubborn as ever. Kevin gets scraped away. Not for shine, but so nothing is hidden. A clean car tells the truth.
Together they stand right until the end.
With the surface clear, they go deeper. Valve covers come off. Steve adjusts the valve train with exact precision, setting clearances to the proper thickness. Max stays on the list, making sure nothing gets skipped. Spark plugs are pulled and read, the distributor checked, timing verified. Each step called, each step completed. It's not rushed, it's not casual, it's a system. That's how Team 7 Racing does it. It's just what we do to prep for the next race. We'll see you down the road or at the track.
The silence speaks loud. Engines are quiet, the crew's in the crowd. The trailer rolls up like it's the end game. But for us in the pit, it's a whole new frame. We're just getting started. It's time to reset. This is where the magic begins anew. We check every piece, we know what to do. Oh, with wrenches and secrets confined. Checklist in hand, we won't let it slide. This is where the magic begins anew. We check every piece, we know what to do. Oh, with wrenches and passion, we bring her back right from the ashes of